Hello, this is Mr. Boyer. In this video, I will be showing you how to solve multi-step equations. So we're going to take our knowledge from two-step equations and one-step equations and inverse operations, and we even got some distributive property up in this madness here. So we're going to take a lot of knowledge that we have before and apply it all into a couple questions here. So let's get started. So here we have this first equation, and the whole goal of an equation is to get the variable all by itself. Now, solving multi-step equations is really broken down into 4 steps. And the first step is always distributive property if you can. So, hey, look at this. I can distribute. And you know if you can distribute because there's a number butted up next to parentheses. And that tells us, hey, you know what? Let's distribute that. So 4 times 2d is 8d. And then we have 4 times 5. And remember, this is positive 5 because it's not always going to be a plus sign. But 4 times positive 5 is positive 20 or plus 20 equals 92. Alrighty, now we're at a 2-step equation. So the second step for solving multi-step equations is combining any like terms on the same side of the equal sign, like get it all pretty and everything. But here, there's really nothing to combine, so we're moving on to the next step, which is separate the terms. I mean, when I say that, I mean get all the variables on one side, all the constants on another side of the equal sign. So this guy right here, we want to get over here, because it's a constant. It wants to hang out with this other constant here. Ready? So this is add 20. So I would subtract 20. Subtract 20. And now we have, that leaves us with 8d is equal to 92 minus 20 is 72. And the very last step to solving a multi-step equation is solve for the variable using inverse operations. This is multiplication, so the inverse is divide. Boop, cancels it out. Divide by 8. That leaves me with d equals 72 divided by 8. Ta-da! Alrighty. Here we have a nice, fun multi-step equation. By the way, this one was a 3-step equation. So one step was to do the distributive. 2 step was to get this 20 over there. And the 3rd step was to divide by 8. 3-step. We don't really call it 3-step. We call it multi-step. So this one's going to be a little bit more. So first we have to do the distributive property. I didn't do anything with this 6m, so I'm going to bring it down here. So I have 6 monkeys plus 2 times 2 monkeys is 4 monkeys. And then 2 times 7 is positive 14 equals 54. So distributive property, done. After we distribute, we combine like terms. So 6 monkeys plus 4 monkeys is 10 monkeys. And I didn't do anything with this 14, so let's just rewrite it. Equals 54. And now here we are at the 3rd step, which is separate the terms. I want to get these constants over here. So minus 14, minus 14. That cancels these out. Let me change colors here. And now we have 10 monkeys equals 54 minus 14 is 40. The last step is use inverse operations, which is divide by 10. Cancels that out. Divide this side by 10. And monkeys equal 40 divided by 10 is 4. Ta-da! This was a 4-step equation. 1 step. Combine like terms. 2 steps. Minus 14. 3 steps. And divide by 10. 4 steps. Alrighty, well I hope that helped. Talk to you later. Bye.